Welcome this video. Succulent wall gardening. A step-by-step guess. Succulents are beautiful low maintenance plants that can thrive in a various of a succulent wall gardening is a create a way to display those plants while adds a touch of natural of your home, whether you are to create a smart frame gardening for indoor decoration or a long outdoor living wall. This gas will work those the process of make your owner succulent wall gardening material need. A wood shutdown box or photo frame with a depend of at letter to inch. A stood back succulent salt mean succulent cut wall cut sandpaper property the frame. If you use a photo frame, remove the glass, add back, attach to price of plywood or MDF board to the back to create a salt base for the salt if need sand. The edge to the frame smoke finish for those build a frame for cut those wood price of from a requested and secured together attach the back use 4 inch at the groin